First, open up the formatting exercise files. Here in the font type sheet, we have this staff salary table. Here is a default font type. It is Calibri, and the default font size is 11. Previously it was Arial with font size 10. Here there are a lot of font type selection to select from. We can see it in action. Let's select the table and see how it changes. There is a bunch of selection. You can select as you prefer and wish. You can select this. Let's see. And also we can make part of it bold or italic, and also underline if we wish. And also we can change let's undo this, and we can change the color of the font, and also we can change the background. Let's make this one, and also this color type, not colors but the background. Let's make this lighter, and let's change this and to make it uniform. So and here there is more possibility from this dialog box. There is effects, drag through, superscript and subscript, and font style also. So the possibility is many.